Hey friends, this is Atif Opir and welcome to the new update on WAXP. On a weekly time frame chart, WAXP has first broken out this very big falling wedge pattern, and after that, it was stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And here, in the month of October 2023, it broke out another falling wedge pattern, the next one. And after that, it got stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. And now, for the past few weeks, you can see it is trying to break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of 10 cents that was previously working as a resistance here and as a resistance here. And now for the past few weeks, it is working as a strong resistance. And in order to continue this rally to downside, we will need to break out these two resistance levels, the resistance of this rising wedge pattern and this 10 cents resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another very huge breakout that has happened on the same 7-day time frame chart from this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And you can see that for the past several months, it was breaking as a very strong resistance. And now it is breaking as a nice support after the breakout when the price was rejected by this resistance of rising wedge pattern and this 10 cents resistance. And here you can see we retested the previous cloud resistance as a support and geared up. And this time it can again work as a strong support, because if the price will be moved more down, then we have the cloud support and we also have this uptrend line support of this rising wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup of PolyX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal almost a week ago on 30th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of WAXP. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and previously you can see that since after the month of September 2021, it was moving inside this very big and huge falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we broke it out here in the month of January 2023. But after that, the pricing got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of 10 cents, and also got rejected by this downtrend and resistance of another falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this next falling wedge pattern, finally we broke it out, and now it is stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. So far, from this low to this high, it is rallied almost 232%. And during this rally, we have broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Therefore, now this previous resistance is working as a support, and now we need to break out these two resistance levels, the resistance of 10 cents and this resistance of the rising wedge pattern, in order to continue this rally to the upside. In case of breaking down the support of this rising wedge pattern, that I'm not expecting that it will break down, because we have two very strong supports. Despite this is a bearish pattern, but you can see that we have very strong support this time. We have the support of the cloud, and we also have this uptrend line resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. Therefore, it will be very difficult for the price line of WAXP to break down the support. However, if it will break it down, then the technical target will be here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at 4 cents. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside will be here. That will be exactly almost at the next long-term resistance of 25 cents. That's a quite long-term resistance. Previously, it was working as a support here for a few weeks, and now it can work as a strong resistance. And now if we take a look at the target for these two breakouts, then target for the breakout from this wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge at 10 cents, and you can see that the price line has already achieve that target. And now if we take a look at the target for this previous breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.